Alright, it's a nice day here. I've got the Quantum Nova out with the Reptile frame. We're going to give it a stable flight here and try and get a bit of a flight time, see how long it'll stay in the air for and if it doesn't come down. So this could be interesting. It's got GPS lock, so we'll get her up in the air and have a go. It's in GPS hold, it's pretty good. I gave it an Autotune. It seems pretty good with this frame. It's not sitting straight, it's drifting still, like it's coming back now. But not bad, it's fairly smooth after the Autotune. Alright, what we'll do, I'll take it out and we'll try a return to home. Alright, we'll try it about there and I'll flick it into return to home. Alright, she's rising up. It's coming back. So far this is working well with this 4000 milliamp battery. See, as long as it doesn't land on the car, we'll see what we've got here. Alright, let's see what it does. It's coming down now. So far so good. No vortex ring state. Anyway, it's coming down fine. It's stopped at the moment. And we just got our first battery warning. There we go. So that's about a 10-minute flight with this package, which isn't too bad. That's return to home for you. It landed pretty good. Not bad, actually quite impressed. Quite impressed. You could probably go a 5200 battery, but I think this is okay for what it does, for a bit of fun. It's still going to have an FPV camera on it. It's still got a few things to do, but other than that, not bad. So there you go. If anyone wants to do this mod, it does fly with the Reptile 500, but I wouldn't suggest with the legs, with the stock 3-cell setup that's in the Cheerson or the Nova. Run a 4000 milliamp battery, you get about 10 minutes. That's what I just did then. Stable is pretty good. It still probably could do with a bit more of a tune, I would imagine, but not too bad. Not too bad. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that. We'll catch yous all a bit later.